Okay, so here we go right here. The wife, she caught the first fish. She caught a nice sized bass. Look at that. So she gonna go ahead and measure it, see if it's a keeper or not. It don't look like a keeper. We might have to throw that back. But she caught the first fish. She said, hey, look. All right, y'all. We're gonna keep these videos going. Okay, we got a nice little catfish right here. Second fish. Now, I caught this fish right here. Nice catfish. Okay, so here we go right here. Cleaned up the catfish and the black bass. Let it soak in some vinegar, lemon, and salt. Rinsed it real good, pat it dry. So now we're about to go ahead and cook. I did the cleaning off camera. So we have our catfish. We're gonna make some fried catfish nuggets, some fried bass, some fried tiger shrimps, some fried okra, and some fried gator. Yeah, I had to go pick up me some gator real quick. So we gonna have some fried gator. We're about to make it happen right here in this good kitchen. I hope y'all enjoy the little trip. We really didn't catch nothing after that. That was just a lucky catch. But we had a good time. So I have my cornstarch, my all-purpose flour, sriracha sauce, mayonnaise. We had a classic fish fry. So let's set it up. So we have everything in the bag. Go ahead and season it up with some of the lemon pepper. There. Now we're gonna shake it on up. Okay, everything nice and seasoned. Just chopped up a lemon. I'm gonna squeeze that juice in there. So this is one whole lemon. Okay. Now we're gonna go ahead and add our mustard. Make sure you pour enough in there. You want everything to get a nice coat. All your seafood. Boom. Now we're gonna add the sriracha sauce. It's optional. You don't have to add the sriracha sauce if you don't want it. And no, it's not going to be hot or nothing like that. So we're going to mix everything together. Then we're going to make our dry rub. Okay, so now we're going to add our all-purpose flour. from Starch. Tablespoons. Mix that in like so. Now we'll add our fish fry. Seasoning, lemon pepper, a Cajun seasoning, and we good. There we go right there. Okay, so here we go right here. Now, go ahead and coat everything. So I like to let mine sit for like 15 minutes. Let that flour and everything soak in. Press down on it, you know, grab it, press down on it. Just like so. See, that's that gator right there. This the gator with the bone in. I usually get the tail. You don't have to worry about no bone. But to me, that's the best part of the gator is the tail. And I do have some videos of some gator. Me cooking gator. Okay, that grease doing a little talking. Now we're gonna see if it's ready or not. Just take you a pinch of all-purpose flour. Go just like that. Just put a little pinch in there. And when you see that flour just, you know you're ready. It's ready now. I ain't had no bath in so long. It's been a minute. Put some more spoons in there. It's crazy. this out the way. Okay, now we're getting our gator in there. Okay, so here we go right here. I done made it happen. It's good kitchen. We have our catfish nuggets, our black bass, tiger shrimps, and that gator meat. Made it happen right here in my good kitchen. I hope y'all enjoy this video. Don't forget, hit that like button for me. And yes, y'all will be getting more fishing videos. Yes. And then I had a good time filming with y'all. Don't forget, hit that bell notification. Like, comment, and share. Y'all have a good night. God bless. Hit dice.
Chef hitting dice. Yeah. Hey, tell them when they step, better step right. Step up in my kitchen with the chef dice. Cooking, I come out, give them a left, right. I got season and I do it just right. When I'm stepping in, they think I'm blessing the kitchen. I got my growing in my apron, I'm a chef in the kitchen. I think they really should be happy cause I'm blessing the kitchen. Just roll a dice and what you asking, it's a chef in the kitchen. Chef hit dice, yeah, you mopped it right. Hey. Chef hit dice, yeah, you mopped it right.